Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit Control Center, which is here, on iPad Air 13 2024. Go to Settings, then go to Control Center, and here you can exclude controls that are included or include controls that are here. To include a control, click on a plus next to it, for example low power mode, and I'm gonna add screen recording. You can also remove a control that's here, for example I'm gonna remove notes, and now you can see that the control center is changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.